Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you had to wait longer than expected or face the unpleasant reality of heartbreak, losing a loved one, a job, or an unmet expectation? It's a familiar experience. The burden of waiting, the sting of hurt, the pull of anticipation, and the ache of uncertainty. These situations are often beyond our control, leaving us with little or no influence over the outcome. Naturally, they bring a whirlwind of emotions, anxiety, worry, and depression that can leave us feeling helpless and hopeless. They creep in uninvited like a thief in the night when our expectations go unmet and life hands us an unforeseen reality. So, what do you do in those moments when you feel devastated? When your heart is heavy and your spirit low? These emotions often come with a strong temptation to stop moving forward in life, to become stagnant and lost, mourning over the bad situation. And trust me, there's nothing wrong with taking time to process and grieve, but it becomes a problem when you dwell there for too long. It's almost as if you begin to idolize the pain and emotions tied to what went wrong. Remember, you have no control over the past or the outcome that has already unfolded. So, what can you do with this overwhelming feeling? You move. Yes, you move, but not aimlessly. You move in a different direction. Shift your focus to something that is within your control, something that is working. Make progress in that area. This won't undo or change what has already happened. The past is unchangeable, but the future is still within your grasp. You have the power to influence it, and by taking steps forward, you can unlock renewal and open doors to growth and new opportunities. Yet in the midst of disappointment and unmet expectations, there's a surprising twist, a chance to discover strength, resilience, and new possibilities you never anticipated. Sometimes, when things don't work out as expected, it's not a dead end, it's a detour. Imagine walking tirelessly towards a goal, only to be met with a crushing disappointment. It's like a punch in the gut, deflating your spirit. But what if, amid that disappointment, a new direction emerges, one that you would never have considered without being pushed off your original path? In this new direction, movement is not just physical but emotional and mental. The focus shifts from what was lost to what can be gained. It will be a slow process, one that requires patience. But over time, you will begin to see the light at the end of the tunnel. What once seemed like a failure transforms into opportunities for growth. And it's not easy, it's not instantaneous. And in this unexpected direction, you can discover something invaluable. When we focus solely on the big picture, we often overlook the little wins, small moments of triumph that are crucial for building resilience and mental strength. These tiny victories are the sparks that ignite hope during difficult times. Life is like an intricate puzzle, where every small piece contributes to the bigger picture. Every little win, whether it's a smile from a stranger or completing a challenging task, is an essential part of the journey. By acknowledging and celebrating these moments, we find light in the darkness of unmet expectations. They remind us that progress isn't always about grand achievements, but about taking small, steady steps. Every small win moves us closer to bigger victories. The simple fact that you are here, listening to this, is a miracle in itself. Each day is a gift, often overlooked in the pursuit of bigger goals. Take a moment today to step back, breathe, and appreciate the magic of the present. Cherish the little things that bring joy, like the warm sunlight through your window or the comforting aroma of your morning coffee. These are the blessings that make up your day, gifts that are uniquely yours. Don't let the disappointments and the unmet expectations cloud these blessings. Instead, let them illuminate your path, guiding you towards a better tomorrow. Remember, the storms of life may be relentless, but so is your spirit. So when the wait is long and disappointment strikes, remember to move, to celebrate the little wins, and to embrace the blessing of today. For everything, in its own time, will work together for your good.